dear Father Rashid, on behalf of all the FMM sisters in Pakistan, I take this opportunity to wish you a very happy 40th priestly ordination. We are very much united in thanksgiving to God with you, dear Father Rashid, in this special occasion. 40 years are not a short time, and along this journey, it has been cultivated with true love in dedication and faithfulness to God. You have been a very committed priest to the generous service of God's people, and we are very happy to be part of this journey with you. Thank you for the brotherly loving care and guidance you offered to the FMM sisters in Pakistan. We are very grateful to you and assure you of our prayers as you continue your journey with God. May you experience His wonderful love for you and be a good shepherd to take care of those whom God entrusted to your care. Congratulations, and we are very united in thanksgiving prayers, Sister Sarina and the FMM sisters in Pakistan.
Happy Jubilee.
On behalf of BLB PP Media, I congratulate Father Peter Francis on his 40th ordination anniversary.
And we wish you all the best, Father.
God bless you.
BLB PP मीडिया की तरफ से मिस्टर हैरी नईम की दरख्वास्त पर मैं आज अपने क्लासमेट फादर पीटर फ्रांसिस और मशहूर फादर रशीद भैया के बारे में बातचीत करना चाहता हूँ। सन 1980 में पाकिस्तान की तारीख में 12 नौजवान काहिन बने थे। उनमें हम 7 डायसिजन थे, एक फ्रांसिस्कन जो फादर रशीद पीटर थे और 4 डोमिनिकन थे। इनमें से 3 खुदावंद में सो गए हैं, जिसमें फादर जफर इकबाल ओपी, फादर शहजाद विल्सन रावलपिंडी इस्लामाबाद डायसिस से और फादर अगस्टिन तुफैल मुल्तान डायसिस से। खुदावंद इनको हमेशा का आराम अता फरमाए। इसके अलावा 7 हम डायसिजन थे जो 1980 में फादर बने। रावलपिंडी से फादर मुख्तार आलम और अपनी डिनोमिनेशन के बिशप प्रकाश यूहन्ना, मुल्तान डायसिस से फादर शफी टॉमस और मरहूम फादर अगस्टिन तुफैल, और लाहौर डायसिस से हम 2 थे, फादर कमर एजाज और मैं फादर नाथ बनार्ड, और 4 डोमिनिकन थे, फादर टॉमस भट्टी, फादर जेम्स चन्नन, फादर जफर इकबाल और फादर जोसेफ रफ़ीक। आज मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ अपने प्यारे दोस्त फादर रशीद पीटर के हवाले से। बहैसियत सेमिनेरियन मैं उन्हें 1970 से जानता हूँ, जब दारुल नईम का क़याम अभी हो रहा था और हमारे प्रोफेसर फादर सिप्रियन डाइस मरहूम वो दारुल नईम की निगहदाश्त कर रहे थे उनकी कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए। तो उस वक्त कैपुचियंस, फ्रांसिस्कन्स, मुल्तान, रावलपिंडी, इस्लामाबाद, लाहौर के तमाम सेमिनेरियंस सेंट मेरी सेमिनरी लाहौर में ज़ेर तालीम हुआ करते थे। उसके बाद फादर रशीद पीटर जब हम कराची सेमिनरी में बहैसियत सेमिनेरियन तालीम हासिल कर रहे थे, दोपहर को खाने के बाद जब वो फरायरी से दरख्तों के नीचे से गुजरते थे तो उनका जो उर्दू का लहजा था सबसे बेहतरीन था, क्योंकि वो सिंध में और नवाबशाह में उन्होंने इब्तदाई तालीम हासिल की और परवरिश पाई। उनका लहजा बिल्कुल भाइयों जैसा था, इसलिए उन्हें हाल मशहूर रशीद भैया कहा करते थे। वो बड़े प्यार के साथ और मुहज़्ज़ब तरीके के साथ दूसरों के साथ पेश आते। फादर पीटर फ्रांसिस सलीम रज़ा जो हमारे रीनाउंड सिंगर मरहूम हैं, उनके गाने अपनी आवाज़ में बेहतरीन तरीके से गाते थे। फादर रशीद पीटर की आवाज़ भी उनसे बहुत मिलती जुलती है, और कराची सेमिनरी का जब मैं रेक्टर था 1993 से 95 में, उस वक्त उन्होंने एक ऑडियो कैसेट भी रिलीज़ की थी और हम उनके गानों से बहुत महजूज हुआ करते थे। जब मैं सेंट मेरी सेमिनरी का रेक्टर था और बाद में कराची सेमिनरी का भी, कराची सेमिनरी का ان دونوں سیمنریز میں فادر رشید پیٹر نے میرے ساتھ بحیثیت اسٹاف ممبر کام کیا. آج بھی انہیں لڑکے بہت اچھے الفاظ میں یاد کرتے ہیں، اور نووسز جو اس وقت ہوتے تھے، آج سسٹرز ہیں آج کل، وہ انہیں بہت یاد کرتے ہیں. جب بھی اور جہاں بھی فادر رشید بھیا کا یا فادر رشید پیٹر کا نام آتا ہے وہ بڑے خوش ہوتے ہیں، ان کا نام بڑے اچھے انداز سے لیتے ہیں، اور وہ تمام میں بہت مقبول تھے اور آج بھی مقبول ہیں جب ان کا ذکر آتا ہے. فادر پیٹر فرانسس بہت ایک ہمدرد، پرخلوص اور ایک مہذب اور ویل ڈریسڈ پرسن ہیں. بہت تعلیمی یافتہ ہونے کی حیثیت سے اور مسیولوجی میں لائسنسیٹ کرنے کے حوالے سے ان کی بہت اچھی اپروچ ہے، اور بین الاقوامی سطح پہ انٹرنیشنلی تھاٹس کے ساتھ اپنے کام سر انجام دیتے ہیں. ان دنوں میں وہ امریکہ میں ہیں، اور ان کی 40 سالہ جبلی کے موقع پہ میں انہیں مبارکباد پیش کرتا ہوں. اور ہماری پوری کلاس میں وہ 17 اکتوبر کو کاہن بننے والے آخری کاہن تھے. 280 میں سب سے بڑی تعداد میں بنے. ہمارا ریکارڈ 1994 میں اس وقت ٹوٹا جب 13 نوجوان کاہن بنے تھے. تو آج اس موقع پہ اپنے نیک خواہشات کے ساتھ یہاں بینکاک سے میں فادر رشید پیٹر کو بہت بہت مبارک پیش کرتا ہوں.
Hi, Father Peter.
Hi, Father Peter.
We want to congratulate you on your 40-year anniversary in the priesthood. It is such an amazing accomplishment. And we just wanted to say we've always appreciated and admired your guidance and the realness that you bring to the priesthood, the humanity, the humility, and also how you point out the beauty and simplicity of everyday life, such as roses and good food, and how all the simple things connect us to Christ. And we're so blessed to have you as a friend and to know you, and we admire all of your accomplishments in the priesthood. God bless you.
Hi, Father Peter. I just want to say that John and I and my grandchildren and my whole family appreciates having you in our lives. We think about you every day. You mean so much to just us and so many other people. We love you and wish you 40 more years. This is Phyllis
And Amy.
Love you. Bye,
you,
Father
bye.
Peter.
Heartily congratulations on your 40th ordination anniversary. I'm very blessed to have you, my friend, my mentor, my spiritual director, and inspiration. Since last 45 years, I know you. When you came first time to our parish for exposure work in 1975, and you inspired me through your humble service to the community and showing the love of God and the care of Jesus Christ. I am very proud of your ministry, your priestly life. I know you have touched the lives of so many people, from Lahore to Hyderabad, Hyderabad to Karachi, Karachi to Rome, and Rome to here in America.
I am Father Victor John, a Franciscan friar, working as a confessor in Rome. I wish to congratulate Father Peter Francis a very happy and prosperous Jubilee of his priestly ordination on October 17 this year. I know Father Peter since my childhood, as I was born and enjoyed my childhood in Nawabshah, the same town of Father Peter. I always called him Lala, the elder brother, and he has been my inspiration in joining the Franciscan order, and I always looked up at him. Throughout my life, I witnessed Father Peter Francis, a dedicated and committed priest and a wonderful human being who takes his responsibilities seriously.
Today I am very happy that Father Peter Francis is celebrating his 40th anniversary of priestly ordination. I can congratulate him from the bottom of my heart, and I pray that God may grant him many such joyful celebrations in the coming years. I know Father Peter Francis when he was a student at Christ the King Seminary in Karachi. And we are class fellows, and we are also very close friends. I treasure his friendship because I can fully trust him and share with him all my joys and sorrows and difficulties. I thank God that for all these years we have remained in close contact, and we have celebrated many joys together, and also shared when we were having some difficulties or family problems. I remember that when my mother died in 2015, Father Peter Francis came all the way from America to console me here in Lahore and at Peace Center. And I was very deeply touched by his love and his concern for me. I found that Father Peter Francis is a very dedicated priest. He is a very humble person, and God has given him many talents and gifts. And I've seen that Father Peter is using all those talents and gifts for the praise of God and the service of his people here on earth. He is a very good preacher. He is a good teacher. He is a very faithful friend, and he is promoter of interfaith harmony and peace. I recall that while in Pakistan, he has been very active in promoting ecumenism and interfaith dialogue, which is the mission of the church. And whenever I go to America, I make my every effort to meet him in Boston, or he comes to meet me in New York. We have many memories with Boston, Massachusetts, because that is the city when both of us were studying at Emmanuel College in Boston, and we were staying at St. Peter and Paul's Parish in South Boston. Over there also we used to go together to Emmanuel College, and we used to share our notes and help one another as much as possible. I remember that while in Boston, Father Peter Francis had been very regularly celebrating masses, both in the small chapel at St. Peter and Paul and the big church, and also St. Vincent Church, which was close by. And at that time, before also, we have been very close friends and trustworthy friends. And he is serving with great responsibilities. Whatever the job it was given to him, he did a lot of preparation. When, for example, when he had to preach at the convention, or to give a lecture at the Aronaim, or St. Mary's Seminary, or any other place, or to give a retreat, he has been always very well prepared. And I found that he remains very humble. He remains a very prayerful person.
Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our channel.